You know the specials by heart?
Oh, yeah.
What's our special today?
Texas hash.
Texas chicken hash. It's fantastic.
When you come to Texas and you get hash, you're gonna get it with chicken.
Well, only here.
Okay.
This is my thing.
It's my thing. Word.
Season it, chili powder, garlic, just a handful, no measurement, a little bit of black pepper. We're gonna bake this, don't ask me how long, just till I can smell it done.
You're a smell cooker.
When I can smell it, then I know it's done.
So no oil or anything, just pop it in there. You got the chicken fat. Now what's gonna happen? We'll bring that out, chop it up.
Gonna dice this up nice. A little bit of butter.
The whole farm on that one there.
Yeah, potatoes. We're gonna brown them up kind of a little crispy. We're gonna add a little bell pepper to it. We're gonna add some onions, black pepper. Then we're gonna add this chicken. We'll stir that in. A little Tony Satchery seasoning.
Just let that crisp up.
Hash is good. We're going to get us some of these tortillas, fried real crisp. Put this mixture on top of it
When you said hash, I didn't expect that.
with a little queso on the top.
What's in the queso?
Milk, bell peppers, jalapenos, maybe 1 or 2 habaneros, slurry of flour and milk.
A little roux.
Thicken it up a little bit, and the cheese, American cheese. And that's it, and we just kind of drizzle that over the top. And it's a little spicy.
No, here?
No.
Eaty spicy?
No. Tomatoes and avocados. Crunch up that tortilla in there.
That's the way I like it right there. Oh, it's great. That's some righteous hash, girl. Oh, you know what the kicker is here?
The tortillas.
Is absolutely. But the extra kicker, that cheese sauce, it's almost like a Mexican Alfredo. You gotta try this. Nice job.
Thank you, sir.
That is really good.
Good.
It's always kind of never hit or miss because it's always a hit.
Okay, the
You name it, everything tastes great.